फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू? मजेत ना? असायलाच पाहिजे. माय सेल्फ मिस्टर नरेंद्र जंगले. वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स. Today we are going to study SSC Standard 9th Maths Part 2, that means Geometry's 6th chapter Circle. From that chapter Circle we are going to study Practice Set 6.2. Now in Practice Set 6.2, properties of congruent chords are there. So two properties are there, but one property is omitted from your syllabus and only one property is there. Congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of the circle. In circle or in a congruent circles, if two chords are congruent, then that chords are at an equal distance from centers. That is our theorem. So let us see how to prove that property. So here the property is given, what congruent chords of a circle are equidistant, means at equal distance from the center of the circle. So in this figure, O is the center of circle and chord AB congruent chord CD, OP perpendicular AB and OQ perpendicular CD, means this OP and OQ are the distances of that chord AB and CD from the center. And what we have to prove? If chord AB congruent chord CD, then this distances OP equals OQ. So first write given thing. In a circle with center O, what is given? Chord AB is congruent to chord CD. Then segment OP perpendicular chord AB and segment OQ perpendicular chord CD, that is given. Then what we have to prove? To prove OP equals OQ. Now proof. Here if we consider these triangles, so here first point is segment OP perpendicular chord AB, and therefore this AP equals half AB. Here we can write the property of chord perpendicular drawn from center of a circle to the chord, bisect the chord. Second, similarly this DQ equals half CD. But what is given? AB equals CD. This is given. ये दोनों congruent है. So here half AB equals half CD, but half AB means AP and half CD is DQ from 1 and 2. Therefore AP equals DQ from 1 and 2. So this is the reason. Now consider this triangle OAP. So in right angled triangle, both are right angled triangle, OAP and triangle ODQ. OAP and ODQ ये दोनों triangle. Segment OA is congruent to segment OD. OA, OD, these are the radii of same circle. Radii of same circle. Then second thing, this AP, segment AP is congruent to segment DQ is proved. So in a right angle triangle, this OA and OD, these are the hypotenuse and these are sides, and therefore these two triangles, triangle OAP triangle OAP is congruent to triangle ODQ by hypotenuse side test. So these two triangles are congruent by hypotenuse side test, and if two triangles are congruent, their corresponding side, therefore segment OP congruent segment OQ, corresponding sides of congruent triangles, and therefore OP equals OQ is proved. So in this way we can prove the congruent chords of a circle are equidistant from the center of circle. So this is one of the property of congruent chords. Other property is, if two chords are at equal distance, then these chords are congruent, but that property is omitted from your syllabus. Now let us see practice set 6.2, which is based on this property of congruent chords. Congruent chords of a circle are at a equal distance, means equidistant from the center of circle, that property. उस पे बेस्ट टू एग्जाम्पल इसमें है, थर्ड वन इज ओमिटेड, सो ओनली टू सम्स आर देयर इन दिस प्रैक्टिस सेट 6.2. तो लेट अस सी फर्स्ट सम. व्हाट इज गिवन? रीड द सम केयरफुली. रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्कल इज 10 centimeter. So here we have drawn the circle with center O. This OA, OC, all these are the radii of the circle, that is 10 centimeter. There are two chords of a circle having length 16 centimeter each. Suppose AB is one of the chord, CD is another chord. Congruent chords are there having the distance, length 16 centimeter. Then what will be the distance of these chords from the center of circle? So we have to find the distance of that chords from the center. So let us see how will we get the distance. Here radius of a circle is equal to OA equals OC is equal to 10 centimeter. AB is equal to CD is equal to 16 centimeter. Here segment OP perpendicular chord AB and segment OQ perpendicular chord CD. Therefore, by the property of chord, if we draw the perpendicular that bisect the chord, this CQ is equal to half CD. रीजन लिख सकते हैं हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ chord, जो प्रैक्टिस सेट 6.1 में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है. बट CD एंड AB बोथ आर ऑफ सेम लेंथ 16, so CD is equal to 8. So this distance is 8. Now find this one. Next step, in triangle OCQ, angle OQC is 90 degree. ये 90 डिग्री दिया है, पाइथागोरस यूज करो. therefore OC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OQ स्क्वायर प्लस CQ स्क्वायर. रीजन लिखा पाइथागोरस, रीजन इज पाइथागोरस. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू. OC स्क्वायर इज 10 स्क्वायर is equal to this OQ square that we have to find distance of the chord from center, and CQ is given 8 square. Therefore this OQ square is equal to 10 square minus 8 square, मतलब 100 minus 64. So we get 100 minus 64 is 36. So OQ is equal to 36 OQ square. Therefore OQ, the distance is 6 centimeter, and here chord AB is congruent to chord CD because both having the length 16 centimeter each, दोनों का लेंथ सेम है, and therefore OP equals OQ is equal to 6 centimeter. Both the distances are also equal. Congruent chords are equidistant from centers, from center. So here OP equals OQ means distance of that chords from the center, that we have to find the distance of these chords from the center, and the distance of these chords, both the chords from center, is 6 centimeter. So let us see question number 2 from practice set 6.2. In a circle with radius 13 centimeter, means radius of this circle is 13 centimeter. तो यहाँ पे ये जो OA is 13 centimeter, this is also 13 centimeter. Then second thing, two equal chords, congruent chords, are at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. यानी OP is 5, OQ is again 5. Then find the length of the chords. So if we find the length of one of the chord, both are of equal length, then we get the length of other chord. So consider either this triangle or this triangle, कोई भी एक triangle consider करके ये AP निकालो, twice of that we get AB अगर मिलता है we get CD. So let us see. In a circle with center O, chord AB congruent, chord CD, both are congruent, that is given. Next thing, segment OP perpendicular, chord AB, and segment OQ perpendicular, chord CD. Now here radius is given, OA equals OC is equal to 13 centimeter, and you know congruent chords are equidistant, and therefore OP here first write chord AB congruent chord CD. These are two congruent chords, and therefore OP equals OQ. This distance is given 5 centimeter. In this triangle, consider triangle, in triangle OAP, angle OPA is 90 degree. ये जो ट्राइंगल है OAP, इसमें OPA 90 डिग्री, therefore by Pythagoras OA square is equal to OP square plus AP square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. तो रीजन लिखा हम लोगों ने Pythagoras theorem. Write the reason. Now substitute the value. इसमें value substitute करते जाओ. OA, that means radius of that circle. This is given 13. तो 13 square is equal to OP is 5. 5 square plus AP square. So we get this AP square is equal to 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square हो गया 169, ये हो गया 25, अगर माइनस करते तो 144, and therefore AP square is equal to 144. AP is equal to 12 centimeter. So we get AP is equal to 12 centimeter, but here OP perpendicular, and therefore AB equals 2AP, means 2 into 12, so 24 centimeter, and therefore length of the chord AB equals CD is equal to 24 centimeter. So in this way we get length of the chord in this question number 2. Both chords are congruent, so both having the length 24 centimeter. So friends, here practice set 6.2 is completed. If you have any doubt in practice set 6.2, then write in a comment box. I will definitely clear your doubt, and please subscribe the channel so you will get the upcoming videos, and share these videos to your friends. Thank you.